Hey everyone, today is day 2 of the Skinny Tires Festival's 4-day event in Moab, Utah. The plan today is to cruise along the Colorado River, taking in stunning views. Over the next few days, we'll be exploring some of Moab's most iconic landscapes as part of the Skinny Tires Festival. If you missed day 1, we rode out to Dead Horse Point State Park the previous day. Definitely a ride to remember. Tomorrow we'll pedal through Arches National Park. Pretty excited for that one. And day 4 we'll wrap up with the River Portal ride, heading towards the entrance of Canyonlands. Here's day 2. So the route today is 42 miles and begins with a mix of descent along the Colorado River with a few gentle climbs. Not too hard. The weather is cold, not gonna lie, but as the day continues, it becomes warmer throughout the ride. We cycle along the river's edge, perfect for taking insights, and generally everyone rode at a comfortable pace. What I liked about this day is that it wasn't just the miles. They're about people you meet along the way. Conversations just flow naturally. You see people sharing stories, tips, and laughs. Cycling through the Colorado River in Utah is definitely a bucket list item for sure. It was a little bit of a challenge finishing the last 21 miles, but we got there and it was a nice way to finish day 2's ride. On to the next.